Stop. Don't buy a refrigerator yet. Because right now, most people are making a costly mistake. They're choosing refrigerators based on looks, brand hype, or flashy features, and then dealing with breakdowns, inconsistent cooling, or expensive repairs just months later. Here's the reality. There is no such thing as a refrigerator with absolutely zero complaints. These machines run 24/7 all year round, so something can always go wrong. But after analyzing expert reviews, reliability data, and real user experiences, there are a few models that come very close. These are refrigerators that consistently deliver strong performance, fewer issues, and long-term satisfaction. In this video, we're going to break down the only 4 refrigerators in 2026 that come closest to zero complaints, and more importantly, why they stand out. Let's get started. Number 4, Whirlpool WRF535SWHZ, most dependable budget choice. For buyers who value reliability over flashy extras, the Whirlpool WRF535SWHZ stands out as a refreshingly straightforward choice. This refrigerator is built around the idea that simpler is often better, especially when it comes to long-term performance. Instead of loading the appliance with complex smart features, touchscreens, or advanced electronics that can sometimes become failure points, Whirlpool has focused on delivering consistent cooling, practical storage, and dependable day-to-day use. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed to handle the needs of an average household, offering ample space for groceries without feeling cluttered or overly complicated. Shelves and compartments are easy to adjust, making organization simple and intuitive. One of its biggest strengths is its reputation for durability. Fewer components mean fewer chances of something breaking down over time. This also contributes to easier maintenance and potentially lower repair costs compared to more feature-heavy models. Another major advantage is its affordability, making it accessible to budget-conscious shoppers who still want a trusted brand and solid performance. Of course, there are some compromises. You won't find cutting-edge design elements, Wi-Fi connectivity, or luxury finishes here. However, for many users, those features are unnecessary and can even become frustrating if they malfunction. The Whirlpool WRF535SWHZ is designed for people who prioritize function over form and stability over innovation. If your main goal is to have a refrigerator that quietly does its job, keeps your food fresh, and doesn't demand constant attention or troubleshooting, this model delivers exactly that kind of hassle-free experience. Number 3, Samsung RF28T5F01SR, best value, high-end option. Samsung has had a somewhat uneven reputation in the past, particularly when it comes to older refrigerator models that faced criticism for durability and maintenance issues. However, over the last few years, the brand has made noticeable improvements in both build quality and overall performance, and the Samsung RF28T5F01SR stands out as a strong example of that progress. This model offers a generous capacity of over 28 cubic feet, making it especially suitable for large families or households that require ample food storage. Its sleek, modern exterior design blends well with contemporary kitchens, while the inclusion of smart features adds a premium feel without significantly increasing the price point. In terms of performance, it provides consistent and efficient cooling, helping to keep food fresh for longer periods, while also maintaining respectable energy efficiency compared to similarly priced competitors. When you consider the combination of space, technology, and affordability, it delivers excellent value for money. That said, it's still important to approach the purchase with a balanced perspective. Despite the improvements, Samsung has yet to fully match the long-term reliability track record of established brands like Bosch or Whirlpool, which are often preferred for their proven durability over many years. As a result, this refrigerator is an excellent option for buyers who prioritize modern features, large capacity, and competitive pricing. But it's wise to also factor in warranty coverage and the availability of after-sales service in your area before making a final decision. Number 2, Bosch 800 series refrigerator, most reliable engineering. If long-term reliability is your main concern, Bosch clearly separates itself from much of the competition. The Bosch 800 series, in particular, is designed with a dual compressor system, which is a significant upgrade over the single compressor setups found in most refrigerators. This design allows the fridge and freezer to operate independently, resulting in more precise temperature control and less overall strain on the system over time. Because of this, food stays fresher for longer, and there's minimal odor transfer between compartments, something that can be a real annoyance in lower-end models. Another standout benefit is how quietly this refrigerator runs, making it an excellent choice for open-concept homes where constant humming can become distracting. Bosch also prioritizes engineering quality over flashy, unnecessary features, which means fewer components that can fail and a more dependable performance year after year. However, this focus does come with a couple of trade-offs. You may notice slightly less storage capacity compared to similarly priced competitors, and the lack of advanced smart features might disappoint users looking for app connectivity or high-tech extras. Still, if your goal is to invest in a refrigerator that delivers consistent cooling, minimal maintenance issues, and a long operational lifespan, the Bosch 800 series stands out as one of the most reliable and well-built options you can choose. Number 1. LG LRMVS3006S Best Overall Refrigerator. This is the refrigerator that does almost everything right. The LG LRMVS3006S stands out as a premium refrigerator that successfully blends powerful cooling performance with modern, convenience-focused features, making it an excellent choice for households that demand both reliability and innovation. With its spacious 26.5 cubic feet capacity, it easily accommodates large grocery loads, meal prep storage, and bulk items, which is ideal for families or anyone who prefers fewer shopping trips. A key highlight is the InstaView door, allowing users to simply knock twice to illuminate the interior and check contents without opening the door, helping reduce cold air loss and improve efficiency. Additionally, the dual ice maker is a major advantage, producing both regular ice and slow-melting craft ice, perfect for entertaining or enhancing beverage quality. Beyond features, its core performance is where it truly excels. The refrigerator maintains stable and consistent temperatures across compartments, which plays a crucial role in preserving food freshness and minimizing spoilage. Customer feedback also reflects strong satisfaction, especially compared to other feature-rich models that often struggle with long-term consistency. That said, it does come with a higher price tag, and the inclusion of advanced features can increase the likelihood of maintenance issues over time. Despite these considerations, it remains a well-balanced option, offering a compelling mix of performance, smart features, and dependable operation, making it one of the more confident investments in the high-end refrigerator category. Important truth most people ignore. Here's something most buyers don't realize. The biggest cause of refrigerator problems is not the brand, it's the features. In particular, indoor ice makers are one of the most common failure points across almost all brands. Smart features, touchscreens, and complex cooling systems can also increase the chances of something going wrong. So if you truly want a zero-complaint experience, the smartest move is to choose a refrigerator with fewer unnecessary features and a simpler design. Also, always consider local service availability. Even the best refrigerator becomes a bad purchase if you can't get it repaired easily in your area. So, what's the final takeaway? If you want the closest thing to a zero-complaint refrigerator in 2026, these are your best options. The LG LRMVS3006S is the best all-rounder with strong performance and features. The Bosch 800 series is the most reliable choice for long-term durability. The Samsung RF28T5F01SR gives you the best value with maximum space and features. And the Whirlpool WRF535SWHZ is the most dependable budget option with a simple, proven design. At the end of the day, the best refrigerator isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that keeps your food fresh, runs consistently, and doesn't give you problems. Choose wisely, and you can avoid years of frustration. If you want help picking the perfect refrigerator for your specific budget or kitchen size, you can ask and we'll narrow it down to the best option for you.